Yep. So the event this year was our biggest so far in terms of participation and coverage. We had over 440 people registered. That's participants and observers who registered and came live during the 48 hours to see what's going on or to actually help the teams build designs. We had 11 teams from 37 different countries. So many of the teams were multinational, obviously, and we had 3 or 4 teams where every single individual was in a different country and in some cases different hemispheres, collaborating together over a very compressed period of time to create design. We had over 12,000 logins to our collaboration server just during the 48 hours. And so that's everybody from participants to observers. But it's significant, says something for the state of the BIM in the industry today, that something like this can generate so much interest in such a short period of time. We had, as you can see here, that from the teams themselves, 560 artifacts from the design process published and collaborated upon during the course of the 48 hours. So a massive amount of information, and as you can probably understand, from the judge's perspective, trying to digest it in an hour and a half, 2 hours, it has been difficult. Okay, one of the metrics that we've managed to track during the course of the event has been continuous publication, use of interoperability and collaboration tools. So you can see here, between our 11 teams, a simple graph showing which teams collaborated the most in terms of publishing design artifacts into the process. And all of this information and a whole host of other analytics and all of the material that's published is publicly available on the Build One and Live website and collaboration server. We're going to be, over the course of the next weeks, trawling through that and creating some interesting analytics at the back. Okay, you can see again more analytics, how many logins per team broken up into a pie chart. Before I launch into the awards, I just want to quickly run through and say who the teams were that participated. So we had here on our website, go to the teams page, we had a team from the Middle East, Top Brookfield Multiplex, based in the United Arab Emirates. We had a team called OKC from the US, Dennis Jernigan of Big BIM, Little BIM fame. We had 3D Blueprint India, which is a team based in Ahmedabad and Gujarat in India, and they're associated with a company, 3D Blueprint, based out of Amsterdam. We had BIM Academy, which is a UK team comprised of a number of firms, McDonald, Shed, Ryder Architecture, Fulcro, and the BIM Academy Group, which is an effort between Northumbria University up in the Northeast, a number of other parties to create a center of excellence in the UK. We had IDEA, which is a Philippine-based team, a fairly large team, based out of the Philippines. We had Coordinate BIM. These guys are from Chile, so they were our Southern Hemisphere, South American representatives, and they were comprised of 4 people, architects working together across different parts of Chile. We had 2 Greek representatives, a team called Kunis. BIM Unlimited was a UK-based team in terms of the coordination, but had representatives for structure, MEP, and architecture in the Dominican Republic and in Brazil. We had Intec India. Intec is a firm based in New Delhi, so these guys are all collaborating out of their offices there, co-located. And we had an Irish team, Virtual Work, who were based, five gentlemen here. All of them were based in different places within Ireland, so none of them were co-located. And finally, we had the most interestingly named team of them all, Biosphere Brains, which was a valiant lone wolf effort by Michael Starmack, an architect based in Ohio, and the ArchiCAD magician. Okay, so those were the teams. Okay, so what we're going to do now is there are 4 awards. I'm going to pass the mic over to my judges who will each present an individual award. So if you're on the video, that's not us. And we'll talk about who the winners are and be posting it online. So first and foremost, I'd like to ask John Rozelle from SYNCHRO to present the best use of BIM for sustainability and constructability.
SYNCHRO sponsored Food on the Line for just 3 years, and we're very proud to take part in this. And the entries submitted this year have been of a high standard. And I'd like to announce that we're actually going to award people to Intec.
Thank you, John. Yeah. So, I just want to say congratulations to the guys in New Delhi at Intec. I know you're watching because we just spoke on the phone before this started. Obviously one of the elements of this event being virtual is that everybody's not in a room together to come and accept awards, but they are. Congratulations. Okay, and I'll pass it over to Martin Horn for the next award, which is Best Multidisciplinary BIM and Use of Interoperability.
Okay, so the judges were particularly impressed with the level of organisation from this team, fitting in with the criteria for multidisciplinary work and the use of various applications throughout the project, the uploading of information to the A-site collaboration server, and also the checking of the information involved. And there is a rumour that this team actually got together on the Sunday to do a pre-project planning meeting. So they really set the stall out in terms of where they were going with these projects. So the winners for this award.
So this is a quick intro to their design intent and use of BIM. Intec was a Revit-based team for both architecture as well as MEP, and did a wide variety of analysis in terms of construction sequencing, thermal and solar analysis, all the environmental analysis. They were very impressive. So again, like most of the teams, they went straight from sketch at the beginning and site analysis using Google Earth through to Lego blocks and sketching and development and into a layout of the BIM collaboration cycle as they went over the course of 48 hours from idea through to delivery of design. They did a solar study. I think what they neglected to realize here was that there's never any sun in New Zealand. The brief included a 24-month construction phase and a 6-month design phase for the project, which and an encouragement to the teams to cost and program on that basis. So this is a Intec Infocom's high-level program of works over the course of that time. Sort of those images. These guys even went down and did plumbing. So we had some. This is not just an architectural contest. We had some significant services elements delivered by Intec, but also most of the other teams as well. These guys really got into it. Very easy. MEP services, more services, and some images of their design. Interior windows, lighting analysis, energy analysis. and finally the team, as you can see, 7 people producing a lot of outputs for the course of 40 hours. Okay, thanks to Intec Infocom.